This is our indoor unit double fingerprint lock. Open the lid. After opening the lid, there is a front and rear cable to connect a 4P head of the back motherboard and connect to the corresponding interface. This is a key to set the user. Tap it. The blue light comes on. Register fingerprint or card. You can register continuously within these 5 seconds. Wait 5 seconds for it to automatically exit the system. Fingerprint opens the door. Swipe the card to open the door. If the operation fails, the red light will be on here. If you still want to register, open the lid again and press this setting button. Here, the blue light is the verification administrator. After verification, there will be a green light, and then add fingerprints and cards. After waiting for 5 seconds, it will automatically exit the system and it will not be added after 5 seconds. If you want to restore factory settings, open the lid. Long press this button, hear the buzzer sound, light up green and successfully restore factory settings. Then we can open the door with any fingerprint.